Hello, I want to welcome you to the short presentation on how to install our Legit VTU Mobile App on your device, particularly Android phone. So the mobile app will help you to log in direct to your account, to access your account without the need to using browser. And as you can see on the screen, here's our mobile app on the screen. As I press on it, when I press on it, you can see that it will load up our site. You can see Legit VTU, and then as a user you can enter your username and your password. So you will not need to be logging in through browser. You get it now? So that is the importance of the our app. It has been designed for your easy access to log in to access your dashboard. So just type your username, which is your email address, as it has been taught. I think I've done that before now. I think we have something like okay, and then you enter your password. Okay, so then you enter your password. Just a moment. Then after you enter your username, and then you enter your password. So just let me. Okay, you can see now I've entered the password, and then click on sign in. So the same experience we have on the browser, that's the same experience we have with our app, as you can see. So that's just it. It will allow you to access your dashboard. Can you see it now? Then you can do your transaction, buying data, SMS, and airtime for the month time. Okay, so that is what I will be taking you through, how to install the application on your mobile phone. So how do you install this app on your phone? So this is our app, as you can see. How do you do that? What you need to do is there is a link that I will share with you. That is our mobile app link that you can use to download the app on your mobile. So let me quickly show you how to go about it. So I will log into a WhatsApp, then you see the okay. So let me quickly type this. So here is our mobile. Can you see Android app my VTU? Download and install my VTU app for Android device for free. So can you see now? I will just click on this. Is the app link that will give to you. So now you wait for the app link to load to a page. When it's finished loading, and then just follow the process. Just follow the process. It's something that you can do within 5 minutes and get the app on your mobile device and start using it. Okay, so just let us wait for it to load. Okay, it has loaded. Yes, the link has been loaded. Can you see now? Look at it. Your data, you say Legit VTU portal, as you can see the app logo on the screen, and the Legit VTU portal, your data, your cable TV. So now all you need to do is just scroll down. Scroll down. Then when you scroll down, look at it here. You see scan QR code. No, just click on download here. When you click on download here, say okay. So just this one is an advert, just for ignore that one. Okay, so and they say your download will automatically start in 4 seconds. So now it has started. So can you see now? If you look at it, I've downloaded this app before, so that is why I say, do you want to download my app, my VTU app again? So you are the first time you are downloading it, it will not ask you this question, but because I've downloaded it on my mobile device before. That's why it was asking the question. So I will just oh just let me see what I can do. So when it asks question, it will not ask you question because it's the first time you are coming up. So let me try to re-download it again. So okay, so now like I said that when it asks you to, when you click on download, before we get here, so like I said, it will not ask you do you want to download the app again. But like I said that because I have downloaded it on this mobile device before, that is why it's asking the question. But in your own case, it will not ask the question, so it will just start downloading automatically. So I will select download, and now when you say download, now you can see if you look at this side, you will see it downloading already. You can see that the downloading is in process, is progressing. So the downloading is processing. Okay, you can see now. If you look at it here, look here now, it has finished downloading. As you can see, the download has finished. So the next thing is click on open. Click on open. So when you click on open, so I will click on open. So I've clicked on open, and can you see now, do you want to install so whatever question it has, just close to install, click on install, and then you wait for it. Okay, then the next thing, as you can see on the screen, it was asking question of security question. This is a block by Play Store Play Protect. So all you need to do is click on install anyway. So that is what you will do. So click on install anyway. So I will click on install anyway. So click on install anyway to continue installation. So that is how to to just hold on. So it will keep on installing. Okay, app installed. Then you see where it said app installed. Then just you see done, and then you can see open. So whichever way, you see that you click on done or you click on open. So whichever way you want to go about it. So but for this training, just click on open so that you can still access the app. So you are opening the application on your device. You can see now the app is already open, and then you can enter your username, which is your email address. That's the sample of the one I used the other time. Okay, account dashboard through the the mobile app you just downloaded on your device. So that is how to go about it. Just a moment. Can see now that I've entered my password. I have to pause the video before now to enter the password for security purpose. So I haven't entered the password. Now click on sign in. So after you enter your sign in, you can see now successfully log in successfully. So no, so you can see now I can access my dashboard. I can top up my wallet. I can top up my SMS. I can buy airtime, send SMS, book SMS, and then check my transaction and buy data. So all this done from the app. So I can check my many other things. So that's just about that. I think okay, so that's just about that. So you can see now that I'm doing so many things I'm supposed to do through browser, also through my app. So I can log out. So that is that. So with that, come to the end of the video on how to use our VTU mobile app to access your account dashboard to perform all the necessary transactions you may want to perform, like buying, top up your wallet, buying a SMS, airtime, data, checking your um, transaction, and so many other things that you may want to do. So that's just that. So now if I come to my dashboard, now can you see now on my dashboard, here is the app again, as in on my mobile uh screen. Can you see the that you can see that is it. That's it. You can see it. Can you see it? You can see my VTU mobile, my VTU Legit VTU portal. So can you see the app on there? So that's that. So if assuming I want to access the my account, for example, now a customer just want to buy data, or I want to send airtime, or just anything you want to do, all you just need to do is just click on the app. So or you just click on the app. So you just click on instead of you using Chrome browser to use it now. So all I just need to click on the mobile. Can you see now? Just log me in. You know, the beautiful thing about this one is faster, because if you want to use Chrome, you first of all click Chrome, and after you have clicked Chrome, then you begin to type. You now type the URL. You know, you type the URL. After you type the URL, you know the process like that, like that. But now this one faster. Just click on this, take you straight to where you will log in, and log in with your username and your with your email address and your password, and boom, you enter your dashboard. And that just is very faster and quick accessibility to your account, VTU account dashboard. So that is the beauty of the using our mobile device or mobile app on your mobile device to access your account. I believe this will be helpful, and you will find it helpful for your transaction on the go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next important video to your marketing. Bye.